Hi everyone, my starter kit arrived today from UPS and I and my cat apparently are super excited to get into this box and show off what I purchased. So the first items that I'm pulling out, those are business resources from Stampin Up. You get $50 worth of paperwork, that kind of stuff from Stampin Up. My shipping order, it looks like everything is here except for one stamping pad that I ordered. It's back ordered, so it will come to me separately. I'm super excited about this. I didn't know that this was going to be in the box. I've got a paper pumpkin, which is a really neat monthly program, and I'll tell you about that in another video if you're interested. I decided to purchase the in color set of inks. Here's some more business cards. They're postcards for inviting people to parties. And the Christmas catalog. I'm so excited about this one too. It runs August through December and has specialty products for Christmas and the holidays and Halloween. And there's my Misty Moonlight stamp pad. I got the jar punch. I'm really excited about that one because I do a lot of canning. And this is the painted labels die set that goes along with this painted Poppies stamp set. Really excited. And this is the jar of flowers stamp set that goes with the jar punch. Great for gift giving of some of those canned goodies I make. Here are some more order forms or business forms. And then I had a little bit of extra left over, and so I bought some pins and tags, which was from their clearance shelf. And finally, my box of annual catalogs to share with my customers. People like to have something to touch and flip through and mark up. Near the back, right on this page here, right before the index, gives information on how to get the starter kit and what it includes. For $99, you get $125 worth of product. I couldn't wait to share my starter kit with you. As soon as you're ready to get yours, let me know and we'll get you set up. Hope to talk to you soon.